Before man knew fear, the savannah already remembered blood. Two instincts collide, hunger and will. The air itself tore apart when life fought to live. For the first time, weakness dared to strike strength. Pain found cunning, instinct found defiance. And man's greatest weapon was born. Fear that burned. From ashes rose defiance. From defiance, survival. Every wound carved the birth of courage. In the stillness of victory, something ancient woke. He survived, not just the beast, but the darkness within. The earth itself warned them the pain. The giants were awake. Instinct said run. Something older said fight. Speed meant life. Hesitation meant nothing. In darkness, courage learned to breathe. For a heartbeat, the hunter remembered he could fight.
From prey to defender, he drew a line of fire.
He found what no claw could match, the fear of flame. For the first time, the earth tilted toward the small. For the first time, the earth tilted toward the small. Silence returned, but the memory stayed alive. He survived the giants and became one in spirit.